Please subscribe, and you can download this code from description below. Embedded objects in MS Office documents allow you to include various types of content, such as charts, tables, and other documents within your Word, Excel, or PowerPoint files. Python, with the help of the python-pptx, openpyxl, and python-docx libraries, can be used to create, modify, and extract embedded objects from MS Office documents. In this tutorial, we will cover the following topics. Note: before you begin, make sure you have Python installed on your system. You can install the required libraries using pip. Extracting embedded objects from PowerPoint presentations is more complex. You may need to extract the Word, Excel, or other documents separately based on their types. This tutorial covers the basics of working with embedded objects in MS Office documents using Python. Depending on your needs, you can further customize these examples to suit your specific requirements. ChatGPT. Embedded objects in MS Office documents, such as Word or Excel, allow you to insert and manipulate various types of content like images, charts, or other files within your documents. Python provides libraries like pywin32 and com types that enable you to work with embedded objects in MS Office documents. In this tutorial, we will focus on working with embedded objects in Microsoft Word documents. Before you start, ensure you have the following prerequisites. Let's start by creating a Word document and embedding an object into it. We will use the pywin32 library for this purpose. In the code above, we first create a new Word document using win32com.client. We then embed an Excel file into the document using the inline-shapes.addOle object method. You can adjust the class type, file name, and icon file name properties to specify the type of object to embed and the icon to display. Now, let's see how to extract and save embedded objects from a Word document. In this code, we open the Word document with embedded objects and loop through each inline shape. We check the object prog ID to identify the type of embedded object, in this case, Excel, and save it. In this tutorial, you will learn how to work with embedded objects in Microsoft Office documents, specifically, Word and Excel, using Python. Embedded objects can include images, charts, and other document elements that are inserted into a document. We will use the pywin32 library to interact with Microsoft Office applications. Before we get started, make sure you have the following prerequisites. Python: you need to have Python installed on your system. You can download it from python.org. Pywin32 library: this library provides access to the Windows COM API, allowing you to manipulate Microsoft Office applications. Install it using pip. Microsoft Office: you need Microsoft Office installed on your system for this tutorial to work. To work with Word documents, we'll start by opening an existing document and creating a new one. You can embed an image into a Word document using the following code. You can also embed an Excel chart into a Word document. After embedding objects, save and close the Word document. To work with Excel documents, we'll start by opening an existing workbook and creating a new one. You can embed an image into an Excel worksheet as a shape. After embedding objects, save and close the Excel workbook. In this tutorial, you've learned how to work with embedded objects in Microsoft Office documents using Python and the pywin32 library. You can use these techniques to automate the process of creating, editing, and embedding objects in Word and Excel documents. This can be particularly useful for generating reports or documents with dynamic content. Make sure to replace path_to_existing_document.docx, path_to_new_document.docx, path_to_existing_workbook.xlsx, and path_to_new_workbook.xlsx with the actual file paths you want to use. Feel free to explore the Python-32 documentation for more advanced operations and customizations. ChatGPT. Microsoft Office documents often contain embedded objects such as images, charts, or other files. Python, with its powerful libraries, allows us to work with these embedded objects effectively. In this tutorial, we will explore how to extract, modify, and insert embedded objects in MS Office documents using Python. Before we begin, make sure you have the following libraries installed. You can install these libraries using pip. Let's start by extracting embedded objects from a Word document. In this example, we're extracting images from the Word document and saving them as separate PNG files. You can also insert embedded objects into Word documents. Here's how you can insert an image into a Word document using python-docx. Excel files might contain charts as embedded objects. Let's extract a chart from an Excel file and save it as an image. To insert a chart as an embedded object into an Excel file, you can use openpyxl in combination with matplotlib to create the chart and embed it.